The K-pop world is no stranger to controversies, and the latest one involves rising girl groups NewJeans and ILLIT. On October 8th, Belift Lab, the agency managing ILLIT and a subsidiary of HYBE Labels, released a statement denying workplace bullying allegations raised by NewJeans. The controversy began when NewJeans member Hanni took to a surprise live broadcast on September 11th, detailing a shocking encounter that took place at HYBE's headquarters. According to Hanni, she greeted an ILLIT member and their manager in the hallway, but they blatantly said, "Ignore her," right in front of her. This left Hanni confused and upset, fueling widespread speculation and discussions among fans. Belift Lab quickly responded, labeling the accusations as groundless. They conducted an internal investigation, including reviewing CCTV footage and interviewing everyone involved. According to the agency, the video footage clearly shows ILLIT members bowing respectfully to Hanni as they exited the elevator, without any indication of disrespect. They also pointed out that the CCTV does not capture audio, making it impossible to verify the claim about someone saying, "Ignore her." Despite this, the controversy has escalated even further, with the National Assembly's Environment and Labor Committee now stepping in. They have called both NewJeans Hanni and HYBE's Chief Human Resources Officer to testify as witnesses in an upcoming parliamentary audit. This move raises even more questions about what really happened and whether there are deeper issues at play within the company's management of its artists. Belift Lab has also mentioned that the accusations have caused emotional distress for the ILLIT members and staff, further complicating the situation. The company insists that it has provided all necessary explanations and remains firm in its stance that these claims are unsubstantiated. With both groups being part of HYBE Labels, this incident could have serious implications for not only their future collaborations, but also their reputation in the eyes of fans and the industry. The question now is, will these allegations have long-term consequences, or will the truth eventually come to light? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this ongoing story.
돈가스요.